Every organization connected to the internet has a digital attack surface. Applications, servers, cloud services, and databases all create potential entry points for attackers. Cybercriminals constantly scan the internet looking for weaknesses they can exploit. But what if companies could find those weaknesses before attackers do? That's exactly what offensive security teams are designed to do. Welcome to CyberMigos, cybersecurity explained simply. In this video, we're going to explore offensive security, the part of cybersecurity responsible for finding weaknesses before attackers can exploit them. Understanding offensive security helps explain how organizations stay ahead of cyber threats. A common question people ask is whether companies actually attack their own systems. The answer is yes, but in a controlled and ethical way. Offensive security teams simulate cyber attacks to discover weaknesses in systems, applications, and infrastructure. By thinking like attackers, they can identify vulnerabilities before real attackers find them. In the real world, attackers try to break into company systems to steal data, disrupt operations, or deploy ransomware. Offensive security teams recreate those same attack scenarios in a safe environment. Security testers attempt to penetrate systems in the same way a real attacker would. This allows organizations to identify security gaps and fix them before they become real incidents. Offensive security includes several different types of testing. Penetration testing focuses on safely exploiting vulnerabilities in systems. Red team exercises simulate realistic cyber attacks against organizations. Vulnerability scanning automatically searches systems for known weaknesses. Together, these activities help organizations identify risks before attackers exploit them. In practice, offensive security teams behave like real attackers. They test applications, networks, and infrastructure looking for weaknesses. Sometimes they simulate phishing attacks, attempt to bypass authentication controls, or test how far they can move inside a network. The goal is always the same: identify weaknesses and report them so they can be fixed. The reality is that attackers are constantly looking for ways into systems. If organizations only wait for attacks to happen, they are always reacting. Offensive security changes that approach. Instead of waiting for attacks, security teams proactively test their own systems and identify vulnerabilities first. This allows companies to fix weaknesses before attackers exploit them. In modern cybersecurity programs, offensive security is one of three key areas. The Chief Information Security Officer oversees the overall strategy. Offensive security teams focus on finding weaknesses. That's how offensive security works. In the next video, we'll explore defensive security, the teams responsible for detecting threats and protecting systems in real time. If you want to understand how cybersecurity actually works inside organizations, subscribe to CyberMigos for more simple explanations.